It's your girl SyVon.
And we are back with another freaking
video.
Yo! I went longer than you. I want to hear it.
No,
I went
you
longer than you.
did. Boom.
Boom! Oh yeah, forgot that. Come on, we gotta do it again.
We not
Yo!
Boom!
Yeah, that's it. Alright, as you guys see by the thumbnail and the title, don't mind if I'm looking to that way because it's a cut up right beside. I don't know why, but hey, we still filming this video anyways. But yeah, as you guys see by the thumbnail and the title, we're gonna be coming to you guys with another reaction video, but this time we're gonna react we can to a food. What the fuck? What?
You always do that when you talk fast.
I know, because that's because I'm speaking standard English. If I was speaking my Jamaican language, I wouldn't be stuttering.
Okay, speak your Jamaican language.
No, because you can ask what I say. I ain't
No,
gonna
I'm
talk
not.
it. Yes, you
I
will.
already know what you're gonna say.
What am I gonna say?
Exactly what you just said in English.
Okay, so what you need for me to say for?
So I can see how you're gonna say it in Jamaican language.
I love you too, bad boy. No. But yeah, guys, see, we're gonna react into this. I don't know if it's a new item. I feel like I've seen it before, but Casey came up with this what's it called, fried chicken nuggets. And I heard not only is just a fried chicken nuggets, it's made with I heard it's made with plants. But yeah, I heard it's made with plants, and I was like, made with plants? You can make chicken with plants?
Alright guys, so like he said, we are going to be reacting to these new KFC. Well, we don't know if they're new, but we're gonna be reacting to. She said it
perfectly. She always wanted me to say no, I'm gonna stutter. She said so. She never wanted to do the intro. She always wanted me to do the intro. Cause
I like when he do it. But so yeah, we're gonna be reacting to these new KFC chicken nuggets, plant-based. So it's called chicken nuggets, but it's plant-based. So it's made with plants. We're gonna see how.
And then guys, when we buy it, remember I was like, it smelled like chicken, but it also smelled a different way, like an off-brand type chicken. Yeah,
it has like a different smell than regular chicken, if that makes any sense. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and try it out for you guys. We're gonna give y'all our first impression because this is our first time eating any type of plant-based like food that was supposed to be meat. So we bought the meal, of course, because we love some fries and a drink. So we bought the combo, and we got 2 combos, one for him, one for me.
Cause you don't like sharing. Whatever,
I just wanted some fries and a drink. So we finna go ahead and try this out for you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Are you ready? Okay.
Let me say this right now. KFC over here is trash.
KFC over here is trash?
Garbage.
Whatever. It's green for plant.
I'm curious to how it said made, as you guys see right here. It said made with plants. Like, how they make chicken with plants?
I have no idea. I would like to see that being made. Like, I would really love to see that being made.
It smells okay good. But it's not like the fried chicken smell good, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So, you ready?
Let's dive into it though.
Alright, y'all.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie to you, man. This looks like cardboard.
Oh god. It smells like, it kind of smells like onion rings.
Look. I don't even gotta see, but it looks like cardboard. Alright, we're gonna dive into it?
I'm scared. Y'all look out.
Make sure you gotta like and subscribe, by the way. Forgot to say that. Like and subscribe.
Alright, you ready? I'm kind of scared. It's not fried like a chicken nugget. It don't, like, it feels square.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Like, it feels like a perfect
square.
shape.
It looks square.
It feels like a perfect.
Feel like what? It looks square. What you trying to say? What you trying to say?
You know what I'm trying to say.
What you trying to say? No, we don't. Well, no, we don't. What you trying to say?
I'm trying to say that it feels like they took it out of the thing and did like this and flattened it and then put it in there on something flat.
Huh?
Y'all know what I'm trying to say.
No, we don't.
Okay, whatever.
I'm gonna try one without it, and I'm gonna try one with the sauce after.
Yes.
Do not follow me.
I'm doing what you're doing.
But we're gonna try it together, and then we're gonna give her a review. Like, what, we're gonna rate it like from a 1 to 10 or something.
Yeah.
All right, ready?
Ready?
Let's get it.
Good.
Bite, chicken one.
What the?
Bite, chicken one. Bite. 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 Chew. 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 It made with plant. Tastes like cardboard.
It's like,
Why it's so hard to bite, bro?
And it got a weird taste to it. Kind of got like a funk taste. I'm gonna dip it in the sauce.
Yeah, I'm trying to sauce.
Y'all, it's hard. It's like hard to bite into.
I had to put force in it. Man, if I gotta put force in chicken in some food, man, I don't want it no more.
And like, it's like so well like constructed. Cause you know chicken, like chicken nuggets, like when you bite into it, you can see like how you explain it?
I don't know, explain it. I don't know what you're trying to go.
Like this, it kind of look like clay, like putty. It looks like putty. That's what it looked like. It looked like putty. But when you chew on like a chicken nugget, it looked like you can see where all the pieces were torn off. Like when you bite into it, you can see where the bite is at. But this, it looks like putty. It looks an eraser. It looks like an eraser. When you break the eraser,
oh yeah,
you know what I mean?
Yeah,
y'all, if y'all take a big pinky eraser and y'all break it in half, y'all can see exactly, like it looks just like this. That's exactly what that looked like.
All right, guys, we finished.
And the crust coming off of it. Let's try it with the sauce. Oh. It's always me, bro. It's not too bad with the sauce.
The sauce, yeah.
The sauce definitely makes it better.
For sure.
If you're not like if you're not vegan or anything like that, and you're trying these out, you would definitely have to eat it with the sauce because it do have like a weird distinctive taste to it.
These KFC fries? Oh, they made these fries especially with this.
I think this KFC fries.
The fries won't dry too.
For real?
Taste the fries.
Okay.
One of them made the fries the same way they made. It tastes good with the sauce. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah, it definitely tastes a little better with the sauce, but it's just not my cup of tea. Come on, her. Fries not too bad. Yeah, fries okay. I could eat the fries.
Okay, so you want to rate it? All right.
Count of 3, but give it at the same time.
We'll give it something. All right.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Ain't no way we get that right, bro.
Babe!
Ain't no way.
Oh
Ain't
my
no
God,
way we
we're
get the same
so
thing,
twins.
bro. Ain't no way we get the same thing, bro. Stop reading my mind.
You read mine.
Stop reading my mind.
You read mine because I already had my number in my head.
I was gonna put 3, but I was like, let me give the benefit of the doubt.
Yeah. I was gonna say 5 because of the sauce, but it still gives that funk taste. So
Ooh, the cops leaving. Why I keep thinking he finna say something to us?
I mean, it's a public park. It ain't like it's private, so.
But yeah, I give it a 4.
Yeah.
Why I give it a 4? Bro, as I've been telling Babe, same with what's it called? Snow crabbing and stuff like that. If I got too hard to get to the food, it's a no. I had to put force in this chicken, bro.
Yeah.
Like, what if it's actual plant? Yes. But how would they make it like look like a chicken?
That's what I'm saying. Like, what kind of? It have to be some kind of dough or powder. I don't know, something that they can put together to make like plant-based food look like meat. You gotta think about it, they got burgers and stuff. I'm pretty sure they got chicken tenders, but it's not chicken. I don't know if it's KFC in general or what, but it kind of, when you eat their food, it leaves like a funny taste in your mouth. I don't know, maybe it's the grease that they use, or
yeah, KFC's just trash.
Oh, it's just trash.
It's just trash. We need some real Jamaican KFC. That's what we need over here. That's what y'all need over here.
I want to try it.
That's what I'm telling you, man. It's gonna feel like you're having sex, bro. That barbecue chicken, busting.
Well, you need to open one up then.
Over here? No. They don't deserve it. No, I probably would if I had enough money. Then I get the ingredients from Jamaica and all that stuff. But yeah.
The fries are alright.
Yeah, it's a low alright.
Yeah.
But yeah. Y'all got a review from us. If you guys would like to go check it out, go try it out. If you guys already tried it out, come down below, let us know how it tastes to you guys. This is our reaction. Please don't come at us. This is our reaction. This is our opinion.
Guys, we don't eat plant-based food, okay?
We don't. We really don't.
So this is our taste buds.
So yeah, we give it a 4 out of a 10. Because it's very hard to chew. The taste's not there.
Yeah.
A 4.5 with the sauce. The sauce is good. So there you go. Anything you want to say?
I second that.
You second that? All right.
I second that.
So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end this video right here, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and we're gonna catch you guys in the next video. We're gonna try and put out our next video right after this one. Our goal for each week is to put out 3 videos, guys. 3 videos. Once you put out, if we put out 3 videos Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, don't expect any more for the rest of the week. Maybe it's a big maybe. It depends how we feel.
Yeah, because we working 9 to 5, okay? More like a 10 to 12.
More like a
12 to 12. That's what it feels like. We work a 12 to 12.
12 to 12. But yeah, we're trying, man. I know we haven't been pushing on a lot of videos, but we're trying. So yeah, you should go like and subscribe and catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
Peace.